Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a Microsoft Office and Adobe Acrobat PDF editor directly in browser with Google Drive integration as well. So you can actually save your work to your Google Drive as well. So this is the actual interface of the application. It's a fully fleshed editor with all the features that you need. It's a Windows-like editor, Windows 98-like editor. So it's entirely built inside HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is the full directory structure of the project here. Each and every line of code, I coded this from scratch. So it's fully customizable. You can add more features on top of this project. And if you need the source code, the link is given in the description. After you purchase it, automatically the source code will be downloaded from Google Drive. And now you come to the main file, simply run this and so right here you simply select a PDF file for which you need to do editing. After you select the PDF file, it will render out all the pages. It has all these controls for zooming, going to the next page. Also on the right hand side, it actually shows you can easily navigate. And then we have these options for annotating, highlighting. So this is one such thing. You can highlight any text in the PDF. Similarly, we can highlight, annotate, can go to the next page, do the same thing. This is the underline operator. This is the draw operator. So this is a freehand draw tool. You can actually do this. You will see that. And this is if you want to stamp. So if you want to add a watermark on side your PDF file. So once you click this, this window will appear. So right here you can select any sort of, can choose the color or all pages, click on apply. So that watermark will get added instantly. So this will save you a lot of time, guys. It's a fully fleshed PDF editor similar to Adobe Acrobat and Windows Microsoft Office. So after that, we also have operators. So these are for rotating the page. You can rotate the page. You can even crop the page as well by specifying the dimensions, left, bottom, right, top, everything. And you can also insert a blank page as well at this location. You will see. You can also split, specifying a range for splitting a long PDF file. It's then we also have page numbers as well. You can add a page numbers inside your PDF file. So once you click this, you can specify the format, position, bottom, center, all these positions, and click apply. So this is really, and also the Google Drive integration is also there. So you have this option. So for for get started, you will find this file here, drive.js. So once you do, you need to create a Google client ID. So whenever you purchase the application, go to Google Cloud Console and first of all create a folder. I've already created this folder in my Google Drive. After that, go to credentials, create a client ID, and just paste this client ID. You need to specify the JavaScript origins. So wherever your redirect URI. So I'm running this application on localhost, so that's why you can even deploy the application as well. And let me just paste my values, and now if you get started, click on that. So here you simply select as you select. So just make sure that you specify the same redirect URI. So whenever you deploy the application, currently I'm running it on localhost. So just go to this application, specify the same redirect URI, and then it's also having the Google Drive integration as well. So you can just see here all these things makes it easy for you to modify. It's a fully fledged PDF editor. After you make the changes, you basically have this button of save. So once you do this, all the changes will be reflected back here. You also have the button to actually convert this PDF into Microsoft Word images. You can export this PDF page to a PNG image as well. So it's a fully fledged editor. So it will take the screenshot of the PDF document and convert this into an image. You also have the ability to convert images into PDF. So here you simply select a set of images and it will convert this into PDF. We also have options for merging PDF files as well. So you simply can select multiple PDF files and you can merge them into a single file. You also have ability to extract pages from a PDF. So simply select the page, click extract. So now that page is removed. So it's essentially the operator for removing pages. Then we can also have ability to compress the PDF. So once you click the compress button, so it's like basically using these two libraries, PDF-LIB for compressing the PDF file and Mozilla PDF.js. So if you don't know about these libraries, these are open source libraries. So if you simply say we are using this JavaScript PDF processing library, and second library we are using is Mozilla PDF.js. So this is also a JavaScript related library for editing your PDF files. So you also have abilities for saving. After you make the changes, you also have ability to printing the PDF. So once you click the print button, so this is the actual PDF editor, guys. If you are interested in this, definitely purchase it. The link is given in the description.